Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make spicy red sauce macaroni, full guide. Start by boiling macaroni in salted water until al dente, then drain and reserve 1 cup of pasta water. While pasta cooks, sauté minced garlic in olive oil, add crushed tomatoes, and stir in chili flakes for heat. Simmer the sauce gently to meld flavors, then toss pasta with sauce and reserved water to reach the perfect consistency. Warm your pan, add olive oil, and gently sauté garlic and onion until translucent and fragrant for a smooth base. Pour in crushed tomatoes and let the mixture simmer for 10 to 15 minutes so the acidity softens and the flavors concentrate nicely. Stir in chili flakes, salt, and black pepper, tasting as you go to balance heat and seasoning. Finish by whisking in a splash of reserved pasta water for silkier texture. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tasty guides and kitchen tips that make cooking simple. On another note, a quick recommendation. The Owala water bottle is perfect for keeping you hydrated while you cook and taste, and it looks great on the counter too. Check the description for the link and other deals that support the channel, and now let's get back to the video. After the sauce is ready, add cooked macaroni directly into the pan and toss gently over low heat so every piece absorbs flavor. Slowly add reserved pasta water as needed to loosen the sauce and achieve a glossy, clingy coating that sticks to the macaroni. Taste and adjust seasoning, then finish with a drizzle of good olive oil and a sprinkle of fresh herbs to brighten the dish for serving and enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.